do your job, get paid, and do your
Hello everybody! Maayong buntag, maayong udto, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan, naimbag na adlaw. I don't know if it's correct. Hello everybody! Good afternoon. So today we're going to have another guest from from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and she is going to share her journey with us, and I will let her share her life to everybody. And without further ado, I want to call her on stage. Our Ilocana in the house!
Yay!
Tama ba yung naimbag?
Yes. Imbag na aldaw. Good day.
Oh, naimbag nga aldaw. Ganun pala yun. So, hello everybody. We have another guest and this is our Mission Before Commission series, episode 22.
Look at that. 22.
Yes. And for today, we have Ate Gloria. She is a Filipina from Edmonton. So today, she's going to share her journey with us. And Ate, can you introduce yourself? Who is Gloria before this amazing opportunity, and tell us more about yourself?
Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Maayong
Buntag,
buntag.
maayong udto.
Maayong udto, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Baka may masabi ako. Oh, I have lots of words, Bisaya words in my mind, but sometimes I don't know what does it mean, but I just say it. So
Don't say it.
that's why I stop myself. Because I have friends who taught me how to, or I listen to my friends who speaks. Especially, I joined a dance group in Edmonton. So I gossip.
They're Bisaya.
I listen to them speak. Even though some words that I don't understand, I just said yes. But I grew up in the northern part of the Philippines, and I'm born Ilocana, but I don't speak very, very deep Ilocano words. Anyway, so who is Gloria prior to this awesome business that Sally and I are sharing? I used to work in a convenience store as a regular store clerk to was promoted to assistant manager, and then I also have a part-time job in a kitchen, line cook and the prep. And then I love to work. I also have a cleaning sideline.
Yeah.
Then I said, I want more. But how am I gonna fit all those things in 16 hours? Let's just say 16 hours, and the rest will be our rest hours, right? To sleep, to be with ourselves, with our friends and families. So I said, okay, let's find something that we can do online.
Yeah.
So back then, it's not that busy for using our phones. We are just starting actually. So I search. I want to have extra money without going physically. That's what I
Yeah.
search. And then suggestion pop up until I found something. I said, okay, let me try. Maybe I can do this. This is not the business we're doing, right? So the one
Yeah.
I found was um, you need to buy item and sell it online. So you buy a lot of things, you store it, you packed it, you send it. Or you can send all your items to a particular warehouse and they will be the one to take good care of everything. And then you need to pay everything per day.
Oh,
So
okay.
I said, no, 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 this doesn't work for me because I don't have that time. I already have what, three? So I just love to work. But then, of course, we're getting old. We can't deny that. That's
Yeah.
life. So I said, I want something that I need to do seamlessly and something that I can bring anywhere with me. So I also
Yes.
put that on my search button. So Gloria, prior to this awesome business that she's sharing to you guys, is a workaholic. Sleep few hours and then up again. But I enjoy what I was doing back then. So um although my body says enough.
Yes. Enough is enough.
Yes. So yeah. And yeah, that's Gloria. What else? Um I love to travel as well. So what I do is I save money and then plan to go. And then when I come back, work again. And then all whatever I spend on that travel is just a wasted money. Until I found out that if you have a business, especially what we are sharing to you guys, because this one, you travel, you eat, you shop, anything you can write it off because what we are sharing is for lifestyle. So I think that's it.
And everything we spend here, ate, especially the travel, we can also do write off, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And that's what I really love about the business because as you said, you want something that you just you know, yung nadadala mo lang sa kamay mo, right?
Yes,
Wherever you go.
we can bring it anywhere we go. Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, don't waste your time. If you have phone, you have iPhone or Android or anything, as long as you can send messages, receive message,
And connect
because
to
we
internet.
yeah, we are paying monthly for our phone. You might as
Exactly.
well use that as an advantage, right? To earn passive income. So, ate,
Mhm.
what attracted you to start this online business besides, I know you want to, yeah, you love working as you said before, but as time goes, we are also getting, we are getting old. And what really attracted you to start this online business?
The first thing that I love is I don't have to buy items to sell,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't have to go to people to sell an item, which is I don't have. Although I was in a retail before, but in a retail they will grab the things and then I'll help them
Mm-hmm.
finish their transactions, right?
Yeah.
Unless they ask us, oh, you need to upsell this one. That's the only time I do. But if like I will like have a pen. Can you see the pen? You have a pen
Yeah.
and then you need to explain to them each, like, oh, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I can't do that.
Yeah, that's
So
why we're doing the business because we don't sell.
we don't
Right?
sell. Yes. So I know it's intriguing. How come it's a business and you don't sell? That's not a business. There's a way. And this
Yes.
is the one. We just what did we do? We did attend a webinar And from the webinar, they explain everything, how it worked. And then if you're more intrigued, you can proceed to the next step, and that's where you're gonna see everything from A to Z, or they say Z, on all the details about the running the business. So yeah, you don't need to chase people, you don't need to do inventory. The only thing that I need to do inventory is my receipts. I still I do bookkeeping on my receipts. And yeah, it's fun. I love that. I love finding things. Where is the
Yeah,
thing? And
because
then
every year we file tax, right?
yes.
Tax write-off. It's exciting because you never know how much you're gonna get, right?
So yeah,
Okay. So what is your biggest achievement so far through this business? Besides, like you're traveling, you are, filing your tax with tax write-off from that travel, managing your team and all that. What is your biggest achievement so far?
can I is my mindset considered achievement?
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
because um I just, if you have a right mindset, everything follows. And it
Yes.
helped me because just like before, I have the convenience store, I have the kitchen staff, and then I have a cleaning. So I can't focus. Now, my goal is to retire early. I did quit those two, the cleaning and the convenience, after I think 1 year after I got into the business. I quit that. And then the kitchen, I quit in 5 months, I think. I quit the kitchen stuff. And then I just kept the cleaning one, because for the cleaning one I can work on my own. I don't
Yeah,
need to go on a specific time or schedule.
you own
So
your time.
yes, I do own my time, and it's also a self-employed for my
Oh,
cleaning.
that's nice.
So yeah, and so yeah, my mindset, and then of course, um, I don't usually have like direction that I wanted to before. Now I know what I want.
Yes.
So
We want
um,
to retire early, ate.
yes, we all want that, because especially now we have, it's our food, our environment is not as healthy as before when we were growing up, right?
Yeah.
So we need to at least enjoy everything while we still can, and
Yes.
while our parents still can also.
Yes,
So
that's right. Yeah, I can resonate with that, ate, kasi nga 'di ba dati parang yung sa mga millennials, nasa millennials tayo 'di ba? We look young, like literally we look young, but inside because of all the work that we are doing,
yeah,
we feel like our body is 50 years old.
when you sit down and then grab something, and then you can get up because you need to grab something else for you to get up.
Yes, and then your bones is cracking up.
I
Yung
know.
yung tuhod ko masakit na. So parang it is ano talaga, yung kumbaga it is God's timing na nakita natin tong business natin na to, 'di ba,
Yes.
5 years ago. Kasi if we're not, maybe we're still like juggling between three jobs, right?
Yeah.
And
Oo.
still
Ewan
at
ko
the
ba
end
nung
of the
meron sa
day,
Canada?
yeah, 'di ba? 'Di ba? They are thinking that she's abroad, she's rich. No, we're not rich, but we are looking looking some opportunity that could potentially reach us there. Because we're gonna be rich because our business is rich, right? Our business is rich, guys. If you
Hindi lang
really want
rich,
gold mine,
billionaire.
gold mine,
Yes.
alam mo yun. So, Ate Gloria, what can you advise? What can you advise to those who wants to join into the business and they are still maybe skeptical or they have fear because they don't know what to do? What can you advise? Because tayo din naman, we're been there. Didn't know about the business, but look at us. After 5 years ago, we're still here.
Yeah.
What can you advise to them?
We're still here and still learning a lot. Diba?
Yes.
Well, for those who always seeing like this, people talking about their businesses, ask question. What is this all about? Private message that person or comment on the comment section of the video because we are here to share what helped us. And asking question is free. Okay?
Tama. Kahit yung workshop natin, free.
And then we do have a webinar or workshop that you can guys attend. What is this all about? Why do you need to attend a webinar? Para yung time natin, mas ma-maximize natin. Kasi if we do, what if busy ako or busy ka pero nakita mo to, ay ano daw yun?
Mhm.
So, just register. Free naman yun. Register, but make sure valid na email address. Valid email address for you to get all the informations correctly. Kasi if it's not valid address, you're not gonna get access. If even though you proceed to the next step and and then you use a invalid one, you'll go we don't know where you're gonna end up there. So make sure it's a valid email address and watch it. We do have 90-minute webinar that you can watch, and we also have 20 minutes. Okay. So what's the difference with the two? Why is it that there's 90 and why is it that there's a 20-minute? The 90, it's a detailed one as well. Same as the 20 minutes. It's just that the 20-minute is like kinompress,
Overview. Yeah, kinompress na siya. Overview.
summary.
Summarize.
Kumbaga, kung ang nanay natin sinabi na, oh, may nalutong ulam, there's a cooked meal, there's a rice, there's a fish, there's a chicken, there's a beef. The 20 minutes, everything is in there, already packed for you to pick up for your lunch. That's it.
Yes.
No explanation but still, when you open it up, it's everything in there.
Yes.
So,
And also that 90-minute is a replay or live with the testimonial with those
yes,
people that are
doing the
willing
business.
to share, doing the business, and they're going to share during live on how this business really changed their life. Right, ate? Yun yung
Yes.
sa 90-minute video.
Yes.
So if
And
you
then
guys can watch a Netflix of 2 hours or a
Wow.
series, you can do this. It's only 90-minute video, but it's full of knowledge and learning. It's free anyway. So if you find this business it's not for you, then
It's okay.
we don't force you.
At least you're not gonna say, what if? Ano kaya yun? Ano kayang meron dun?
Yes,
Right? Hindi ka mapapaisip. And then for those who've seen this 2-3 years ago and then you saw it again, maybe that's your sign.
Yes, that's right.
Kasi you're not gonna see this again if it's not meant for you.
Mhm.
Kasi I've seen this before. I think I saw this in 2017, early 2018. I know, 2016, 2017.
Yeah, and then you came back 2019.
Yes,
So
2019.
it is really meant for you.
Yep. Because I've seen this and I said, okay, let's give it a try. What's in
Kasi
it?
kahit ako ate, I've seen this from a different, from a different mentor,
Mm-hmm.
but I did not resonate.
Mm-hmm.
Then when I found Coach Franco, and I said, "Oh, this is it," and I
Yes.
didn't even know it's the same,
Oh, yeah.
because
Yes.
it is, it is different. Like people that are advertising, um, it depends on who are you going to resonate with your
Resonate.
life and your pain and your struggle.
Yeah.
So yun nga yung time na nakita ko si Coach Franco. That time pa talaga, ano na yun eh, ano na yun, magpa-pandemic that time. Tapos na-lay off pa ako sa work noon, 'di
Ah.
ba? So
Oh, look
parang
at that. Lay off pero nakapag-start ng business. San pa?
yes.
Ha? Kasi
Nakapag-lay off ako.
flexible kasi itong business. If you start this business, very flexible. You are your own boss literally kasi ikaw magdedesisyon para sa pag-build ng business mo. Kami,
Yes.
we are just the instrument. We are just here to help you start. To guide you kasi napagdaanan na namin yon, lalo yung mga challenges ayaw naming mapagdaanan ninyo. Kaya
Yes.
kami na andito and we're sharing this kasi nga kagaya rin ng ano, 'di ba? Kagaya ng sa school. Kaya tayo may teacher kasi napagdaanan na nila, tinuturo nila sa atin lahat ng mga uh, subjects natin. So, same as this one, we need to go through a webinar or a workshop for us to learn something. And then if you proceed to the next step, you have another videos
Mentor and coach.
to watch. And then, step by step, ano to, na-upgrade ka, na-upgrade din yung ano mo yung tiwala mo sa sarili, especially.
Yes.
Diba? Kung
And
dati,
parang ano dito ate, parang nag-i-school tayo talaga. Tama yung sabi mo. But then, while nag-i-school kami, while we are learning,
we're
the
earning.
business, we are earning. Di ba?
Yes.
Diba? Kumpara mo naman doon sa, yes, good thing din naman na may diploma ka or what. But then, in order for you to really earn an income, tatapusin mo muna yung degree na yun. And then, that's the
Yes.
time you are going to earn money. Right? But
Exactly.
then, marami kasing tao ngayon natin na nag-school nga sila, 2, 3 ang mga 2, 3, 4 ang degree. But they ended up not using it kasi nga, hindi malaki yung sahod.
Yes.
Diba?
Mm-mm.
Dito talaga guys, it's unlimited earning. Ikaw
At
malulula.
baka sabihin nila, para lang sa mga ano yan, para lang yan sa mga may pera, para lang yan sa mga nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, para lang yan sa mga marunong mag-English, para lang yan sa mga kung ano mang dahilan. Kung gusto mo, mangyayari. Ito ay para sa'yo kung gusto mong mangyari. Kasi,
Kahit hindi tech sabi, pwede
yes.
dito.
Oo.
Kami ni
Pwede.
Ate Gloria, hindi kami mga tech sabi.
Natuto na lang.
Natuto na lang kami. Diba?
Kanina nga, ate, bakit ka walang audio? Sandali, hindi ko rin alam. Wait lang.
Diba? Natututunan naman kasi lahat eh. Alam mo yun. If you are really willing.
At saka may tutulong. Meron tayong group at meron kang sariling taong maia-assign sa'yo. Just like Sally, if you register sa kanya, ma-assign ka kay Sally. Kung ayaw niya kay Sally, sa akin.
Diba?
Wala, may choice kayo. Kung ayaw niyo sa akin, i-refer ko kayo sa taong yung ano ba Tagalog ng resonate? Tabaguhin na. Makaka-relate kayo sa situation na meron sila. The same situation sa'yo. Kasi syempre kung hanap nyo, may pamilya, meron din kami. Although single, wala man kaming anak, pero kung ang hanap nyo, gusto ko yung gusto ko yung makasama or magturo sa akin yung ganitong tao, we do have. Kasi iba-ibang walks of life, ang sabi nga, iba-ibang uri ng tao or kahit
Yes.
lahi, paniniwala, or
Kahit
opinion.
sino
Ano
yung,
dito?
kung hindi kayo marunong mag-English, merong nagtatagalog, may
Yeah,
nag-Ilocano, meron
share
nagbibisaya,
din
lahat.
natin. Kahit sa training namin, meron na ring words, meron ng caption
Merong
from
Pilipino na.
English to different languages. O, di ba? Ganon ka-advance na yung namin. Hindi na lang siya basta-basta na.
Advanced dahil sa mga technology natin ate, pero kung titingnan mo, very basic yung training talaga.
Mm-mm.
Masusundan siya kahit
Ikaw,
15-year-old.
ikaw na nga yung ano ba man ito? Napakasimple naman nito. It's tinuturo
Di ba?
ka. Oo,
Oo.
ultimo ipindot mo dito, pindot mo sa upper, sasabihin niya, you will find it on your upper right side of your screen. Click on that
As in,
button.
basic na talaga siya na, kasi hindi naman lahat tech savvy talaga. So that's why itong business na to is, siya, talagang ginawa siya para dun sa mga taong, yes, sa mga hindi talaga techy, pero gusto talaga nila ng, gusto nila ng change, sa income nila, sa time nila, especially sa time, at saka sa mga taong gusto talaga makapag-retire ng early. So kung tatanungin nyo kami, marami na nakapag-retire sa community namin, yes, sobra na. Kahit kami ni Ate Gloria, nakakapagbawas na din kami ng mga hours. 'Di ba? Isa, dalawa na lang yung mga trabaho. Kasi nga 'di ba, dati parang nagja-juggle ka nga ng 4 na trabaho. Ganun din.
Bayad ka naman sa tax.
'Di ba? Paycheck to paycheck ka pa rin. Yan nga din yung kinawiwindang ko ate. Alam mo yung pinagpaguran mo, itatax, which is given naman yun. Pero yung pag gagastusin mo yung pera na yun,
tataksan ka pa.
Tataksan ka pa ulit. Tinaksan na nga siya from the income kasi automatic yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Na nababawas yun sa mga sa province, sa city where you live here sa Canada. Yun nga din yung tanong ko eh. Di ba?
Dumaan din sa akin eh.
Di ba? Na lang kung one income ka lang. Paano yun? So that's why we are giving you an option to check it out kasi nga this business is working for us. Kahit we're working, you can also do this while you are employed or you are, you love to travel, spend time with your family. You can do this business. Like what Ate Gloria said, you can bring this business wherever you go. And by the way, guys, this month, we are going to celebrate our 51st anniversary on our sa business namin. And hindi ako makakapunta ate, but
hindi rin ako makakapunta.
Hindi ka ba matutuloy?
Hindi ako matutuloy. But on the 50th anniversary, I was in Japan.
Oh, yeah. Malay mo, next year, dito naman sa Canada. Diba?
Ayun na nga
pupunta talaga ako kasi within Canada lang. Challenge kasi siya ngayon kasi nga maraming changes, 'di ba? Sa ng US. But if you guys really want to find a supporting community, we really invite you to watch our free workshop like what Ate Gloria said earlier. You can watch this anytime, Monday to Sunday. But if you want to experience the live, that is every Tuesday and Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time and 6 p.m. MST, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you can check it out, guys, and you can pre-register sa website ko dyan na nasa screen, or you can connect with Ate Gloria. If you're Ilocano, you can connect with her or anyone that can resonate with her journey as well can connect with us. So, Ate, what is your last message?
If you're Ilocano, Kapampangan, Bisaya, Filipino,
basta Filipino na masipag.
Masipag at may puso sa pagtulong. Ito yung business na kailangan yung i-check. Kasi the more na tumulong ka, the more blessings ang babalik sa'yo. Like,
Yes.
Zali's, kagaya ng poster ni Zali is mission before the commission. So, our mission is to help and we'll let yung commission magpapakita na lang yan. Paano? Malalaman nyo pag nag-join.
Yes.
Why are we, tatanong nyo, ba't di na lang sabihin agad-agad? Diba?
Diba?
Kung sasabihin namin ngayon, hindi nyo mapipicture kung ano yung sinasabi namin. Kaya kami may naka-prepare na webinar para makita nyo na alam yung mas ma-appreciate nyo kasi pag nakikita nyo siya.
Yes, tama.
Kasi yung naririnig lang. Diba? Diba nung araw, I'm not sure if kung naranasan ng mga na ngayon, pero kasi tayo batang batang
80s, 90s.
na nakikinig ng Tia Deli. Although, yung imagination natin nahubog. Diba?
Yeah, tama.
But now, kailangan visual.
Yeah.
Para kasi ang kasi natin is i-explain yung mga pillars how to run an online or digital business. So kapag sinabi lang voice over or ganito lang, nagsasalita nga kami, nakikita nyo kami, pero hindi namin maisa-isa, hindi nyo rin ma-appreciate.
Yes.
Kaya kami merong visual na webinar na hinanda para sa inyo para mas ma-appreciate yung Tsaka sasabihin nyo, ay, ganun pala yun. Oh! Diba?
Yeah, ganun pala. Kumita.
Mas na-appreciate yun.
Kahit tulog. Kahit tulog.
Hindi mo na kailangan gumising ng 6:00 ng umaga para magbukas ng tindahan at mag-hire pa ng ibang empleyado para tumingin sa tindahan mo. Eto, hawak-hawak mo. Nasa cellphone lang po siya.
Actually din ate, diba? Marami tayong mga business owners sa community natin na they are doing traditional business, pero nung nalaman nila yung online business na to, ang laki ng difference. Sila na mismo nagsasabi na, hindi na pala akong magre-rent.
Support na lang yung
diba?
Yung unang business nila, support na lang. Kumbaga, pang na lang
parang yung income na nakukuha nila, yes, doon na. Pero when it comes with time and freedom, wala talaga pag doon ka sa traditional. Kasi for example, meron tayong, may business ka na restaurant. Tapos ako naman, maybe siguro, yung katulad ng sa Canada's Wonderland. Kailangan mo i-open yan kasi pupunta mga tao. So dito sa amin, kahit nasa remote area ka lang, as long na may wifi ka, you can still run the business. At hindi namin kailangan mag-hire ng mga tao na magkatrabaho for us. Right?
So, lalayo pa ba tayo? Yung cleaning ko, di ba?
Yeah, di ba? Cleaning mo nga.
Kailangan kong puntahan. Hindi ko naman pwedeng dalhin sa akin maglinis ako sa So,
diba?
although anything physical talaga, yun yung challenge. So if you are watching this and you have like traditional business, you can actually, it's an advantage na sa'yo kasi meron ka ng idea about business, right? Pero ituturo namin kung ano yung difference talaga ng having versus traditional and sa online. Kung paano siya advantage na rin nila kung may business sila kasi wide na yung market niya
may mga connection na sila, di ba?
Yes. Kami nag-start kami sa wala.
Yeah, tama.
Pero we have merong may paraan. May connection ka man, may market ka man, marami ka mang friends or followers o wala.
Zero follower kahit nga yung iba talagang hindi alam paano
wala nga Facebook nung una, di ba? Nagka-Facebook lang gawa dito.
Diba?
Pero, di ba? Nag-retire na.
And also,
i-interviewin ko siya sa Tuesday.
Di ba?
And
also, ate, Yung iba naman na, kasi nga 'di ba sobrang daming mga content creator ngayon, hindi naman lahat ng content creator is kumikita
Kumikita.
talaga ng solid na income kasi depende lang naman 'yan sa views.
Yes. At
Kung
saka I think
magkano yung
ngayon
ano
parang
nila.
may nakikita ako, nagkakaano na sila, nagkakaproblema na kasi kahit naka-million views, wala silang kita.
Actually, ate, ang million views kasi, ano pa yan, i-consider mo pa dyan kung hindi ka na-copyright. Kasi, di ba, yung
Oh.
sa background music, ano pa yan, before ka pa papasahurin, dadaan ka muna sa maraming fact check,
Oh.
kumbaga. Tapos, sa million views naman, kung malinis talaga, I think it's only $1 per 1 million views or
Oh.
$100 per 1 million views.
Oh, wow.
Di ba? So, i-business mo na lang.
Correct.
Di ba? Kasi dito sa atin kasi yung earning talaga is per day. Di ba? Kung gusto mo kumita ng 1,000 per day, gustong-gusto mo yun. Kayang-kaya mo yun. Di ba? Hindi yung maghihirap ka pa talagang gumawa ng content para lang mag-income. Kasi kahit dito talaga, kahit basic lang yung profile mo sa Facebook or any social media, pwede ka talagang mag-start ng kumita.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes, 100%.
So, Ate Gloria, what can you advise sa ating mga newcomer, new business owner, new business partner that are starting with the business? What can you advise to them? Kasi, when you are starting, we experience a lot of obstacles. How
Na-overcome.
can you advise?
Na-overwhelm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Valid yun.
Yeah.
Overwhelm ka, valid yun. Pero ang hindi valid ay yung hindi ka mag-reach out at magtanong.
Yes.
So, ginawa ko yun eh. Nung nag-uumpisa ako, never akong nag-reach out or nakisalamuhal sa group chat. Okay? Watcher lang ako, basa-basa. Basa-basa, ganun lang ako. Alam mo na, minsan may pagka-introvert, may sariling mundo. Hanggang ngayon meron pa rin naman, pero hindi ako mapapakain ng pagiging ko on my own. So, kailangan kong i-open up yung sarili ko. So, ganun din sa mga newbies, kahit matagal na kami sa business, feeling namin newbies pa rin kami.
Yes.
Kaya, we still reach out at nagtatanong. May mga tanong na sa iba parang napakasimple. Pero kung makuha natin yung tamang sagot, ay yun pala yun. Mali pala yung inaakala ko. So, mag-reach out ka at mag-attend ka ng, meron tayong weekly na meeting with the community. Attend kayo nun. And then we also have monthly meeting within with our group. Mag-attend din kasi libre yun eh, libreng learnings.
Yeah.
Kasi
oras mo na yung kailangan doon, oras.
Yes, at saka kung busy ka,
May
hindi
replay
available, we do have replays. May replay videos na pwede mong mapanood or kahit i-play mo lang, nakikinig ka. Kasi iba pa rin yung may alam. Iba yung awareness sa isang business na sa umpisa hindi naman natin talaga alam. So, dito, constant learning. Araw-araw may natututunan tayo. Kung hindi ka willing to learn, hindi rin willing yung change na gusto mo sa buhay na dumating sa'yo. So, basta sa mga newbies, newly business owners, do your training. Pag meron ka hindi naintindihan, ask question. Kung
You
yung,
can reach out to us. Don't be shy.
If you feel like, ay, tanong ko nga si Sally, magaling siya sa mga paggawa ng ganito. Reach out. Busy man yan, sasagot yan. Hindi man, kung minsan, hindi man kaagad-agad, kasi syempre may kanya-kanya naman tayong buhay. Mare-replyan yan. Kumpleto pa with video. O, di ba? Ganun yan si Sally. May tatanong ka, Sal, paano yung ganito? Sige ate, wait lang. Tapos babalik ka nga, may video tutorial. Ay, kaloka.
O, di ba,
Yun
para ma-explain.
Oo. Buti nga, alam mo ba na sa'yo ko natutunan yung screen recording na yan?
Ay, ganun ba?
Yes! Back in 2019.
O, di ba?
Ano daw? Paano niya nagawa yun?
O, di ba? Kasi may screen recording na ngayon eh.
Yes. Oo. Kaya nakakatuwa. So, merong iba-iba tayo eh. Meron akong matututunan na hindi pa alam. Kaya, sinishare. So, basta, reach out, make sure na ano ka, kung hindi ka naka-attend ng live, may replay, panoorin mo. Kung sabihin mo, ang haba naman yan, 1.5 hour, may fast forward button, kaibigan. Pero dapat yung iintindihan ha.
Yeah.
Hindi yung full fast forward. Naku pa, mapapagalitan ako neto.
Pwede naman, di ba, yung normal is 1.
Mhm.
Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa 1.2 or 1.5 para
Yes,
mabilis.
mas
konti
mabilis.
yung-
Pero
Ganun kasi
naiintindihan.
Ganun na kasi ako kasi parang nababagalan ako, hindi siya nare-relate sa ano ko. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng comprehension eh. Iba-iba tayo ng hearing. Iba-iba tayo ng learning. So ako doon ako. Minsan nga 2 times pa. Gusto ko na mabilis.
Oo.
Di ba?
Kala ko ako lang.
Iba-iba. Ganun ako ate. Pag, like for example, nag-audiobook kasi ako ngayon. So yung audiobook kasi, yung normal kasi niya na ano is 1 times. So nababagalan ako, parang ang lamya naman ito. Parang, gusto kong makatapos ng at least 10 books in 1 month. Na ano ko. Kasi nakakatapos ako minsan 2 days, 3 days, tapos ko na isang libro, di ba?
Diba?
Paano ko matatapos yun kung babagal?
Normal, At
Kaya
saka
nilagay,
sa audiobook din kasi, ang bagal naman talaga silang magbasa.
so ako, binibilisan ko siya.
Ganon. Sa normal na naman pagsasalita, hindi naman ganon. Ewan ko ba, ba't ganun mga audiobook?
So, siguro, dinesign yun for people na mahirap makaintindi para mas slow. So, pero, tama yung sabi mo na sa replay, meron talagang gano'n na kahit kung hindi ka marunong bang English, i-transfer mo sa Pilipino. May Pilipino doon.
Oo,
diba?
may translation. Hindi ko pa natatry, pero meron, nakakatuwa. Kaya lang kasi ang lalim naman kasi ng Tagalog.
Parang si ChatGPT, ang lalim sabi ko, translate this in Tagalog. Or, wag na lang, translate it in Bisaya. Ang lalim naman. Sabi ko, wow, may ganito parang words. Di ba, natututo. Tama talaga yun, guys. If you are, wag kayong mahiya, lalo na sa team namin, wag kayong mahiya mag-reach out sa amin, Ate Gloria. Kasi kami yung mga, kumbaga, kami na yung mga original na team dati. Mga thunders na kami. Kami yung mga babies talaga ni Coach Franco na until now.
Binugbog sa kamo?
Binugbog kami sa matinding training.
Training, yes.
So, nandito lang kami, wag kayong mahiya. Don't be shy to reach out to us. Kasi nga, available naman talaga palagi yung available naman palagi yung learning, di ba? Mag-reach out kayo sa akin, i-interviewin ko kayo. Kayo yung next.
Nakaka-boost ng confidence. Totoo lang.
Di ba? Kasi hindi naman kami marunong mag-live. But then, yung confidence at saka yung kumbaga yung discipline na nakuha namin sa business is malaking achievement talaga yun. So, gusto din namin yun na mag-ano yun sa inyo, mag-resonate din yun sa inyo. Kasi nga, para, kumbaga yung fire ninyo, sa heart ninyo, na mabago yung buhay ninyo is tuloy-tuloy. Di ba, ate?
Yes. Saka sabi nga, walang mangyayari kung hindi ka magbabago ng ginagawa mo. Kung yun at yun lang din.
Yeah,
so,
tama.
Kung kahit sabihin na nating nagdagdag nga tayo ng additional work, nadagdagan naman yung taxes natin.
Yes.
Eh,
At saka
kung-
nadagdagan yung pagod mo,
yes.
'di ba?
Mhm.
'Di ba? So, why yung sinasabi natin palagi, learn how to work smart, not hard. Kasi yun naman
Yeah.
talaga yung goal natin 'di ba? Yung passive income na kahit tulog ka, may talagang pumapasok sa'yo. So, yun ang i-goal ninyo. Huwag na kayong mag-add ng another work, another load, another tax.
Invest.
Yes, invest in your future. So, ate, maraming salamat. Anong thank you sa Ilocano?
Agyamanak.
Agyamanak.
Unay-unay.
Unay-unay. Ah?
Ulitin mo nga.
Agyamanak, unay-unay.
Ah.
Sa Bisaya naman,
Salamat ka. Ay,
salamat.
daghang salamat sa
Or
inyong
salamat
tanan.
kaayo. Oh. Daghang salamat or salamat kaayo.
Salamat kaayo.
Gihigugma po kamong tanan.
Gihugugma ko kamong tanan. Mahal ko kayo. Tama ba? Ang
Tama yan.
pumapasok sa isip ko, sa utak ko ngayon is Kapampangan. Dakal salamat. Ayan.
Pare-pareho lang naman din kasi eh.
Ilocano
guys-
Agyamanak.
Oh,
Salamat.
yeah.
Oo.
Agyamanak. Una-una. Tama ba yun?
Unay-unay.
Ay, unay-unay pala.
Labis-labis yun. Unay-unay.
Ganun pala yun.
Oo.
So guys, thank you so much for watching with us. And shout out to Ate Jen from UK for watching with us. And guys, if you are watching this on replay, don't forget to like and share. And also comment down below, or you can direct message us, and then we can help you get started. So thank you, Ate Gloria. See you guys on my next live. Bye guys!
Yung kuko ko nakita.
Happy weekend!
God bless everybody.
Bye-bye!